Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do His and Hers Colombian YoYo. Really helpful if you already know how to do a standard Colombian YoYo, for which I will put a link in the description below. So assuming you've done that, you'll be ready to go. The paired up version looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now it's probably going to be helpful if we show you that at least slowly from a different angle. So if we show you from here, you'll get a feeling of what's actually going on, because you've got this kind of comb from the side as you bounce across, and then you've got the same thing happening but with the other person in front. Now if you've done the standard Colombian YoYo, you'll know you've got a choice of going one way or going the other. So you can go away from the hand, or you can follow the hand and make the hand motions bigger as opposed to going against it. Both will work in this move as well. So let's break it down. Here we go. Semicircle back, return the lady, guys turn to the right under the arm, drop the hand down on the shoulder. So standard Colombian YoYo up to here. We go out, back to the shoulder, over the top down to the left shoulder, back over and down to the right shoulder. Repeat. So we go out, in, over, replace. Now we've done 2. You could do as many as you like in freestyle, but we're just going to do 2 each side. When we go out this time, remembering not to pull forwards, to have it back a little bit, so we're taking the hand out without pulling the lady forwards. Keep turning right, guys. Take your hand through the middle, goes down low and up onto the lady's shoulder. Left hand, guys, can guide from the hip or guide from the shoulder. Both are going to be good. And then what we're going to do is exactly the same thing we did with the guy at the front, but with the lady at the front. So we take the hand out to the right, guy's head right probably to make that work best, and if you can lead the lady over to the left, that's a really good place to start. If you want to go the other way, you can, but this is probably the easiest one. We're going to come into the shoulder, over the top, down to the hips, probably useful at that point, bouncing back, and then it's repeat, and you can go back to the shoulder if you need to. So we go over and comb and. Let's do one more just for practice, and this time one extra bit as we go out. See if you can make eye contact, and in. You can make eye contact going the other way as well if you want to, and back to the shoulder. And now it feels like you're about to go out again, but we're going to do the same thing at the same time as a little push with the left. On the hip is fine, on the shoulder is fine. Both are going to send the lady away. As we bring her to face, guys moving a little bit out of the way to the left, and we just get a travelling return to finish. So let's think numbers. We go back 1, return 2, on the shoulder 3, we go out 4, we go comb 5, we go out 6, we go comb 7, we go out 8, lady shoulder on 1, so then we go out 2, we comb 3, we go out 4, we comb 5, back to the shoulder 6, facing 7, returning 8, and back 1. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, His and Hers Colombian YoYo. We go a back, return, on the shoulder we go out and comb, and out and comb, and out, lady shoulder, out and comb, and out and comb. Preparation, face, return, and back. That preparation at the end, you can take that count away and make the whole thing a little bit quicker on the exit, but certainly when you first start out, I would stick with keeping that preparation count in. That's it. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Music recommendation on the end, and Thank you very much to everyone who likes, subscribes and hits the bell, because you'll know every time a new video comes out. Catch you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.